A bold upgrade from the aluminum classic, the DelVSS features a sleek, rugged, stainless steel body, improved functionality, and is now available in both 3.5 and 6-inch models. The DelVSS features an asymmetrical, aircraft-grade aluminum base, where the stainless steel blade splits the 1/4 and 3/8 inch sides. So, finding the center of 3/4 inch stock, or laying out mortise and tenon joints, is quick, easy, and dead-on accurate. The base also boasts 1/4, 3/8, half, and 3/4 inch setup block references for drill press, saw blade, and router bit depth of cut adjustments. Plus, the innovative design of the DelVSS is essential for layout work. Make perfect scribe lines using the precision-drilled holes at every 1/8 of an inch along the 90-degree edge. Use the hypotenuse edge, calibrate it in 1-degree increments for quick and accurate layout of angled cuts. The 6-inch model includes central cutouts that provide precise half, 3/4, and 1-inch references, while the 3.5-inch model features half-inch cutout references. And both versions feature a hole milled to perfectly locate a self-centering drill bit at the center of a 3/4 inch edge. The DelVSS is the new go-to for quick and easy layout, and it's precision made in the USA.